Hi, this is Mr. Modeler Paul with an update on my 1/200th scale HMS Nelson from Trumpeter, and I have got the cap paint on them now. I've just noticed that I may have to mask up the boot line going around and redo some of the red underneath here because I've got faint black. I don't know if it looks okay, but I need to do a bit at the front end and all, and I think you'll see what I can mean when you look at it. You can see the shade of it, so I need to mask the black and cover up the top and just do that again along the bottom, so that won't take too long to do, so I will do that. But I'm quite happy with the way it came out, and this is a scheme I've done. And if I just release this off, you'll be able to see both ends, and there you go up there. And if I go back to the other end, now I'm going to zoom in on this bit over here later on, but I've actually gone back to portholes. And if I switch off for a couple of seconds, I might be able to pull it along, and well, no, I might be able to do it anyway if I put it along. See, I've got enough room. There you go. So, if I come in this way, I think you'll be able to see that I've actually gone back to the portholes. And there they are. So I did get back to the portholes. It took a little while, obviously, because I'm putting it back, and I used my extra stretch sprue to do the eyebrows on the actual portholes itself. So now she's back to how she should be, as people have mentioned. So there you go. But I will have to do that whole red again, mask off along the black, and do that again. It's quite straightforward with the tape, so it's not a problem. But just very frustrating when you think you've got it perfect and you haven't. But anyway, but other than that, I'm really pleased. The blue that I matched up with, I think it's G20. I use that. Some people have got it really dark, some people have got it light. I went by the live colour paints, which is an acrylic paint, to match it up as near as I could to that. So that's what I've done, and I'm happy with that, so that's okay. I just want to redo that whole red at the bottom, and then that'd be me finished for that. And it's had a clear coat on it, and I never noticed it then. It's a funny how the light goes on it better. You can see it like it is now. You could say it's okay, because it could be that the paint's gone down the side, but no, I'm going to mask it off and do that on both sides to bring it in line with what it should be. So there you go. So there you go. So I'm going to come back out and swing her along, and yep, I can't do much more with it. She's such a big model to get into place. So if I just lift her up now and come back to here, and so you can see, you definitely see what I mean by the actual black along here. But like I said, quick job, and the blow it along there with a nice bit of whole undercolour, and it'd be fantastic. So, well, that's what I'm going to say anyway. So thank you very much for watching this, and there you go. The next thing for this way basically is to, I think it's to paint put the wooden deck on at some point, but I'm going to have to put this to one side once I've painted that maroon red done. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy modelling.